Hello friends, myself Jashankar. Today it's a very great day because today I am going to start my channel Gyan Darpan. It is a YouTube channel and I will deliver the lecture on engineering subjects, also on the engineering equipments used in factory, which is very useful for the newcomers or fresher engineers. I am also planning to deliver the lecture on the competent exams like SSC, HSSC, etc. But today is the first day. Now, the most favorite topic or the most demanding topic which I hear the noise from my colleagues is the transformer. So I am going to deliver the lecture on the transformer. Please listen it very carefully and raise your questions. I will also try to root out or solve the questions. Okay. What is transformer? Actually, transformer is a device by which we either step up or step down the voltage. When will that step up and step down requirement is used? First, the step up voltage is required when we are transferring our supply to a high distance or to a large distance. To overcome the losses, transfer losses, we transfer the supply at high voltage like 25,000 kilowatt, 50,000 kilowatts, etc. But when this high supply voltage reaches to the destination, then we have to step down to 220 volt or 420 volt as per the requirement. Also, for the industrial purposes, we are also supplying the voltages at high 11,000 kVA, 10,000 kVA, etc. Then it is converted by the step down transformer which is placed in the factory. Transformer has the two coils, primary and the secondary. Through primary and the secondary coils, we are doing the step up and step down of the voltage. Now, what is the main functional part of the transformer? Transformer has the oil which is used as a insulating or the cooling purposes. This oil is also used in the other equipments like OCB, oil circuit breaker, etc. Like welding machines also we have that type of oil, but it is also used in the transformers. Transformer may be 700 kVA, 600 kVA, 500 kVA, 10,000 kVA and many more. Now, but up to the 11,000 kVA, 700 kVA transformer is suitable. Now, for the periodic maintenance of the or we can say the preventive maintenance of the transformer, what we are doing, what we will to do. So we will do first, we have to check the transformer oil, we have to check the oil leakages, we have to check the silica gel condition, we have to check the BDV test, we have to check the moisture in the oil, we have to check any earthing connection of the transformer, etc. Now, the transformer oil is a type of insulating and cooling oil used in transformer need to be tested periodically to ensure that it is still fit for purpose, because it tend to deteriorate over a time, and testing consists of measuring breakdown voltage and other physical chemical properties of the oil. Dielectric quality of the transformer oil is essential to secure the operation of the transformer. Dielectric breakdown voltage test must be done yearly. Moisture content test must be done yearly and it should be less than 35. Power factor test of the oil must be done yearly. It should be 0.05% at 25 degrees centigrade. Dielectric breakdown voltage should be 60 kV. It is also tested, because when we are doing the breakdown voltage test of the oil, then dielectric voltage test also be done. Transformer oil must have high dielectric strength, thermal conductivity and chemical stability. It is the basic property of the transformer oil. Gentlemen, write it on the paper. Typical specifications of the oil are फ्लैश पॉइंट 140 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड और ग्रेटर, इससे ज़्यादा होना चाहिए, इसे 140 से कम नहीं होनी चाहिए 140 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड से. पोर पॉइंट -30 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड और लोअर. डाइलेक्ट्रिक वोल्टेज शुड बी 28 kVA. ओके. Then question arise, what is the chemical formula or chemical properties or chemical combination of the transformer oil? It is the polychlorinated biphenyl combination. Polychlorinated biphenyl is generally the transformer oil formula which is used in the transformer oil. Magnetic oil gauge. It is a gauge which measures the oil level in the transformer. Should be checked periodically. And what is the preventive check sheet? What point should be included in the preventive check sheet of the transformer? First, oil leakage should be checked. It should be checked daily. Second, MOG magnetic oil gauge should be checked monthly basis. Oil cap should be checked. Silica gel. What is the silica gel? Silica gel is the chemical which absorbs the moisture from the oil, and if it is blue then it is okay, and if it is green, if it is pink, then it should be replaced at once. So it should be checked daily when we are going to the checking the oil leakage. It should be obviously it should be checked on daily basis. Air breather should be checked. There is a air breather from which the gas generated due to the heating in the oil should be breathed out, escaped, otherwise there will become a gas chamber, or it will become a cylinder type. Dielectric breakdown voltage DBV, dielectric breakdown voltage BDV, DBV, dielectric breakdown voltage DBV, flash point and ppm should be checked by an authorized vendor which has the certificate A class contractor from the electricity board. Now, the dehydration of the transformer should be done on yearly basis, and this dehydration and earthing checking will be done on the yearly basis, and this should be done on yearly basis and should be done by the authorized vendor who has A class contractor certificate from the electricity board. Second one, we have to check and submit the fees to the chief electrical engineer of the electricity board for checking our transformer DG sets on yearly basis. If there will, because this checking through the chief electrical engineer is a certificate like a license. If we, for example, we have a license to run the scooter, and if mishappening will be done, then the thing, then the money will be refunded from the insurance, otherwise not. Similarly, if we have this certificate from the chief electrical engineer, then we are be able to give that this is not our fault, this is natural fault, and will be refund from the insurance company. Okay, I think this lesson will be knowledgeable for you, and if there will be some fault or I am lagging somewhere else, please give me in the comment. Hope so I will make future videos best way, or also please give me in the comment key on which topic I will make the video for you. Have a nice day. This is Jashankar waiting for your good response, but please subscribe it, like it. Thanks.